Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I am unboxing the ultimate Lush gift set. I am so excited. It's literally a dream. It's called a wish come true and it really is. It's massive. It's filled with snow fairy products and I am so excited to get into it. I absolutely love Lush. It's such a fun brand. It's so playful. They are like the leaders when it comes to like making vegan and cruelty-free products, which are like, you know, good. They're just good. They're a great brand. They're lovely. They're fun. They're playful. They're good to their staff. They're just a wonderful brand. They're so fun. They're playful. I just love them. They're so great. But yeah, Snow Fairy I love. It's their Christmas limited edition scent. It's a little bit of a secret what Snow Fairy smells like, but if I had to describe it, I would say it smells like banana sweets, candy floss, pear drops, sparkles, pink, and My Little Ponies. You know that plastic scent of My Little Ponies? It's just like, what is that? It smells like My Little Ponies. It's so fun, it's so joyful, and yeah, anybody who says that they don't like it, they just think they're too cool for school. You know what I'm saying? Because actually the cool kids, they love Snow Fairy. It's a great scent. So this is called the Wish Come True gift set. It is amazing. It is £120, so it's not cheap, but it's fabulous. It is like the iconic gift set of the season and I'm gonna get into it. So yeah, let me unbox it and show you what is inside. I just need to figure out how to open it. I'm sure this shouldn't be so hard. Okay, I got there. You have to unstick the ribbon on the back. I wasn't that smart. Okay, let's dive in. So you can see it's got all the little foam. These are made of starch. They are not polystyrene. They're not landfill. They will disintegrate when you put them in water and they will just turn into nothing, which I love. Why use polystyrene when you can use these? Okay, where shall I start with this? Oh, first of all, the smell. I mean, there it is. It's just candy floss, bananas, shrimps. You know those like foam shrimps? It smells like that. Candy floss, My Little Ponies, it's all good. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, where should I start? There's so much in here. Okay, I'm gonna start with this. This is one of their bath bombs. This is gonna turn your bath a majestic colour. If you're feeling stinge, you can use half, but if you're feeling good, just go all in and have a really long bath. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like Christmas, but like pink Christmas. Okay, next up we have a bubble bar. This is one of the biggest bubble bars I've ever seen. It's enormous. It's so good. Oh God, I'm so excited. There's so much. I've been trying not to look on the website to like see what's in here because like I wanted it to be a bit of a surprise. Even though I know it's all Snow Fairy, I want it to be, look, oh my God, I didn't even finish my sentence. Yeah, I wanted it to be a bit of a surprise and still kind of have, I don't know, even though I know it's all Snow Fairy, I wanted to like not know exactly what was in here. This is a star wand that you put into your bath. Oh my God, I love it. How cute, how cute. Oh, okay, what next? It's just like a lucky dip of Lush Joy. Okay, next thing that we've got is the Snow Fairy shower gel, the icon of the collection. A nice big bottle, 275 mils. Fantastic, I love it. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, it's so cute. It is literally a fairy. It's pink. It's, oh, I got some in my mouth. Oh, it tastes kind of salty. Yeah, it's a pink fairy. It's a pink snow fairy. It's so fun. Oh, I'm gonna have so many good baths. Oh, I love it. You know when you're like, there was one Christmas where I didn't buy anything Snow Fairy and like all year I was like, oh, I didn't get anything Snow Fairy. I feel like I missed out. Okay, the next item that we've got is a body lotion. This is quite a small one. This is how many mils? I don't know, 20, 30. It's quite a small one. But you know, whatever, I'll still love it, I'll still enjoy it. And then there's more underneath. What is here? Ah! Oh my God! It's one of their perfumes, it's a body spray. Love, love, love it. You know when you're like, I can just like make the whole world smell like Snow Fairy. I love it. Okay, what's next? I'm gonna work my way around to the other side of the box. Oh, there's something really good in this one. It's like I can see it, but I can't get to it. There's just so much foam. Oh my god, as if they made snow fairy candle. I've never seen this before. Oh, this smells really good. It smells more appley. It smells like snow fairy, but more apples and pears. Oh, it's really peary, this one. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so good. That's my mum calling. Hang on, she's looking after Mary. Hello? Sorry about that. My mum is looking after Mary and she gave me a call. But I am back. So I was discussing the candle. I am so excited. This smells so good. It smells a bit less pink and a bit more apples and peary. Oh, it's perfection. It's like if you had an apple scented candy floss. Yeah, apples and pear candy floss. So good. Oh, I love it. There's also a 4-wick candle on the website if you want to like have more. But oh, I love that. Okay, I'm gonna dig in and see what else I can find. Oh, there's 2 things in this box. Oh, everything's kind of split into compartments. So I'm having to like go through all the compartments. My God, this is such a good gift set. This is crazy. This is the foaming body scrub. Oh, it's made by John. Hello John. Do you think John goes home and like smells of Lush? And like, do you reckon like his partner's like, you smell amazing? Anyway, this is 100 grams. I absolutely love it. And then we've got the shower jelly as well. Oh God, what a joy. What a joy. And then what else have we got? I think we've got something else in here. I think this could be a soap. Yes, it's a Star Bar. Oh, it smells really good. You know when you're like, what a good start to the day. Oh, I love it. It's amazing. Okay, I think I've done it all. So it is a banger of a gift box. It looks so cute. It's such a joy to open. My favorite things, of course, I have to be honest, the shower gel 100% has my heart. It is my forever fave from the range. Bubble bars, bath bombs, love them. The perfume, the body scent, it's so fun. The candle, I may need to buy the big one. I may need to buy the 4-wick. You know when you're like, if you want a pink Christmas, this is how to have a pink Christmas. Yeah, I love it. It's so fun. It's such a good gift set. It's so beautifully packaged. Let me show you the outside again. But it's so beautifully packaged. It's such a joy to open. The products inside are just like plentiful and wonderful, and there are some things that you kind of get like 1 or 2 baths out of, but then there's other things that you can just use for months. And yeah, whenever you need to like just feel joy, like here it is. And like, do you know what, sometimes you're just gonna like put it in your bedroom and like walk into your room and be like, what can I smell? And you're like, oh, I can smell Lush. Feels good, you know. Or you can like open the box and be like, what's that? Oh, Snow Fairy. I love it. Oh, I love this set. It's absolutely amazing. It's so fun. I love the fact that they've expanded the Snow Fairy range so much. It's just such a joy, and we need that. We need joy. So here it is. If this is not the set for you, there are smaller sets to buy. There's also advent calendars, of course, this year, and then each of the Snow Fairy items you can buy individually as well. But do you know what? If you've got the money, it's so good. It's so good. It's such a joy, and I just wanted to share it with you. Oh, anyway, I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.